According to the Center for Disease Control, 1 in 4 people in the United States have a mental illness. Yet only 25% of adults with mental health symptoms believe that people are caring and sympathetic to persons with mental illness. The Marlborough Rotary Club is teaming up with Employment Options in a program called Community Conversations to end that stigma.
It's more of an awareness. There's a lot of talk about the stigma of mental health and, oh, it's a disease, and oh, it's something that's typically behind closed doors, something to be ashamed of, and we're trying to get away from that.
And we're pulling together different groups and really talking about what is mental health, what's good mental health, and what services do people need to make sure they maintain their health. Because if you don't have mental health, you don't have good health in general.
The collaboration is funded by the International Rotary Club and the Marlborough Rotary Club, hosting events and conversations at local businesses, churches, and schools.
The first stage of it right now is these community conversations. So it is getting the awareness out to Marlborough and surrounding communities about what we're doing and the messages we're trying to get out about mental health.
Well, I think, suicide's a quiet disease, and it doesn't get anyone's awareness until it's too late. And that's what we really, really want to change. I think that we're also seeing kids in isolation, kids not going to school, kids being bullied. That's all around mental health and depression. And so we really want to be able to reach out to the youth of this community.
Every year, more than 40,000 Americans die by suicide. It is the second leading cause of death among young adults ages 10 to 24, with more than 4,500 young people taking their lives each year.
The younger people are experiencing the same issues that the older are, right? The mental health issues are there in the schools. If we can start early and teach the kids at a younger age, hey, listen, that this is not something to hide behind or close doors, get it out in the open, it's the best place because they're going to carry it through for the future.
We're all wearing fancy watches to measure our steps and measure our heart rates. Well, what do we do to measure our mental health, and how do we change that? And so I think there's a lot of different ways that we can really give some more resources to the residents of Marlborough so that they can embrace mental health.
For Marlborough Midweek, I'm Brittany Murphy.